Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening. Today is an exciting day because we are at our plant supplier and these beautiful greenhouses are filled with pansies or violas, and we are picking up our pansies for our clients and ourselves. So I thought today I would bring you a video on why I love pansies so much and what I am going to do with them at my own house. I thought that would be fun for you. So first of all, I just want to show you the beautiful selection. We love to hand select pansies, and we're so lucky to be able to come here where there's so much availability. It does get a little overwhelming, so I like to show you folks at home what we're selecting, some different varieties and colors, because they're all so beautiful. So the one I have in my hand here I really love because it is a bluish purple, and you all know that I am such a purple fan. And the name of this is Cats Plus Marina. So this one is gorgeous. So that is one of the many that we have today. So another one that I'm really loving here is this yellow and deep purple, which is Sorbet Morpho Viola. It's funny, I picked another purple for you. But then look at these here, these mauve pinks. It's got some bright whites mixed in. This is another gorgeous variety here, and I don't see a tag for you. So let me look around here, see if I can find something. Nope. I'm gonna have to pop that up for you after. So that, and we have some ruffled ones somewhere in the mix that are my favorites, and there weren't really a lot of them around today, but I really love the little ruffled edges. So maybe up top here. Oh yes, I really want you to see those. So they add a little bit of texture. So why I love pansies is because after the winter, it's so nice to finally see some flowers and some color. And pansies are a cold weather annual flower, so they really love the weather that we get towards the end of March, April, and then May. So right now it's April and they are loving the cool temps. And you don't have to be afraid that they're going to be damaged because they really thrive in it. So number two reason why I love the violas or the pansies is they are edible. So if they haven't been treated with chemicals, they're perfectly fine to, of course, wash anyway and then throw in your salads, or beautiful as a garnish on some appetizers, entrees even, or get creative with your drinks and cocktails. So I love to have them around my own house because I have the grandkids over a lot, and I really don't have to worry about them being toxic or harmful to the kids, because the kids do like to touch them and pick them and play with them. So that's kind of neat. So with that said, what I do with my pansies at my house is I plant them in containers. So I love container gardening and how versatile your containers can be, but yet, you know, they really give you some quick curb appeal. So of course I'm going to put a container by my front door, and I think about color. So my front door is like a burgundy or mahogany. So I think this year I'm probably going to use some of these mauve pinks and maybe a pop of yellow. We have some really pretty lemon yellow down here. So I'm thinking about color. And then on my back patio, where we're starting to spend a lot of our time, we have some bluish gray pavers, and the pots really complement them. They're blue and gray as well. So I'm going to probably go with my favorites, the purples, the lavenders back there, with again probably a pop of some whites up here. Or even some of the bright yellow or the pale yellow that I showed you. So the last reason why I love pots, there are so many, pansies in pots. So when you start them off this time of year, they do like to be in full or part sun, but because they are a cool weather flower or annual, what I do is I will move my pots, so relocate them and put them in some shade or some dappled shade when it does get hot. So that way I can hang on to them a little bit longer and enjoy my investment for as long as possible. So before we leave today, I would just want to give you a little bit of a tour around because it's just so gorgeous and I want all of you folks to see what we're seeing here. Thank you again for joining me. We love our gardening community. We love doing these videos. And if you like this one, please tap like and hit subscribe for some future gardening fun with us.